Wait, it's not in that one. It's in the other one, right? It's in this one. It's in this one. It's in this one. Where are you? Where are you?
I don't think so.
Hold up! Aw, shit!
Dang, is that good?
Damn, that's too short, bro. The 25th, 2 p.m. KST. All right. So we got Anderson Paak, G-Dragon. It's called Too Bad.
I don't think so.
Bro, that scene reminded me of like G-Dragon, I Need a Girl. Ah, shit. It's gonna get crazy with this one.
Dang, is that good?
Hell yeah. Let's go. G-Dragon news. We love it. We love to see it. Whew. Wait, let me see it one more time. Is that Karina? Was that Karina? I think they did say that Karina was gonna be a part of it.
I don't think.
Wait, no, not here. Oh, yes, that's Karina. That's Karina.
Dang, is that good?
Oh my God, this is gonna be crazy.
Hey, you better subscribe.